Hello everybody, it's Justin Stelzers with Real Life Tutorials. Today we're going to be puzzling over jigsaws. To you, putting together a jigsaw might bring to mind something like an old grandma sitting over a table with a light and poring over a puzzle. But there's a whole lot more than just that. Step 1. Before starting any puzzle, you must always do a full course warm-up. First, we do 30 push-ups. Step 2, you're going to do 5 consecutive squats. Now we merge into some stretches. Stretch number 1, the toe stretch. And now for our second and final stretch, the finger stretch. Now we get the exciting part, opening the box and dumping out the puzzle pieces. This is a special puzzle. It's a Hello Kitty puzzle with 100 pieces. Alright, ideally you can set your puzzle box somewhere up in a corner that you can look at it if you need a reference. First you start by picking out all the edge pieces, the pieces with the hard line on the edge, which are the edge pieces, and you fill out the perimeter of your puzzle. Now that we completed the outer edge, we can do the most fun part, and that's filling in the big gap. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end result of all those hours you spend stretching, all those hours you spend mentally stimulating yourself, working out, making huge Step 1. Step 1. I got this going. Step 1. Before trying anything, any puzzle. Step 2. You gotta do however many squats you can do comfortably. Step 2. You gotta do 5 squats to get all the shoot, I didn't think this one through. Step 2, you gotta do 5 consecutive squats. Step 2, 5 consecutive squats. the workout segment of your warm-up is now over. Now we work. Now we merge into some stretches. And now for our second. And this, people, is the end result. Ladies and and now for our second and final stretch, the finger stretch. One finger at a time.